Welcome, folks.
Yeah, that's the girlfriend.
The girlfriend is here, folks. She trailed behind. Look, the kids and the other mothers, and then the two fathers have moved on over here. But she trails late. She trails late. It's fine. Hello, hello. Yeah. Well, no doubt about it. But yes. Welcome. There's the other mothers, and the fathers are over here, and the kids are there, and
Fathers are over there.
yeah, that's what I said, over there.
No, look down beside the white tree. He's standing right there. Ash beside the metal thing. Yeah.
Yeah, they're right over there. And the
What about this one? I can tell you're missing him. He's way over right there. In between. Oh, there's two of them. Yeah, they're both standing right there.
yeah, they're right there.
Okay. Got them both.
Yes. And then look here are the kids. Look at the kids, folks.
And the girlfriend.
And I guess these are the mothers, and the girlfriend's right there.
Yeah, they don't give a fuck about
Oh, there. So oh, yep. Go say are you a kid or are you a mother? Oh, here she comes. She's leaping. She's leaping in the action.
You're my man. You are my man. What you guys do?
Oh, look, there goes the deer up there.
Yeah.
I think
You don't need to be talking. We're out of here.
I think those are the kids. Bye.
The kids are, they're playing. Oh my god.
Ashton, get this one look right here.
Holy cow. Okay, it's a stampede. Everyone's running.
No, everyone's just running. Everyone's running.
Yo, they're giving out free corn. Free corn up over the hill to the first 10 deer.
Everyone.
Corn.
Free corn, folks. Everyone.
Corn Julio has come.
That bird. Here's a bird for you fine people on the internet. Where'd he go? There he is. And there's another one.
I am come.
Keep me from my bunghole.
So click subscribe. Bye, everybody.